My name is Michelle Kwan. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, and I'm a public figure. And it doesn't matter who I am on the outside, I am a mother at home. So this is something that I do on a daily basis. So first thing I do in the morning is I have my honey lemon water. It has to be warm. Then the next thing I do is I have my bird nest. Then I'm ready for my workout. What do I prepare for breakfast? I don't have breakfast. I actually intermittent fast. So for me, I have a very light breakfast, honey lemon water, bird nest. And if I feel very famished, then a banana. Oh, and coffee. I need my coffee. I'm a nicer person with coffee. But I control myself, 2 max. I love rice so much. I can have it for breakfast, lunch and dinner. I know I'm born in Australia, but rice is the way to go for me.
Rice or noodle?
Rice.
Rice or pasta?
Rice. Dad, that's a hard one. Rice. But pasta is really close by. These are the things that make me happy. Rice, coffee, chocolate. So you can imagine when I'm dieting, how nasty I am when I have to cut these things out. On a normal basis, when I'm not strict dieting for my work, I eat everything in moderation. I believe being aware of what you're consuming is the way to go. If I feel like having an ice cream sundae, I probably have enough to satisfy my craving and then I'm done. I think of it as a habit. A healthy lifestyle is a habit that is long lasting and ongoing. There is always a saying, you eat like a king, you eat like a royal for lunch, you eat like a beggar for dinner. That's my mentality. So I eat a lot during lunchtime because you need the energy to pass through the day. But for dinner, I try to, number 1, portion control, and number 2, try not to eat too full and not to eat too much carbs and more vegetables at nighttime. That's for me, but not for my family. My family, bear bus. For my family, dinner is always a carb with protein and vegetables. We eat very basic at home. And surprisingly enough, my husband and my child, they don't eat too salty. They're actually used to eating quite healthy, bland, natural flavored food. I find a lot of Indonesians, when they're cooking, they add in extra sugar. I think it's more of a routine habit than it is a necessity. I find sugar is very aging on the body as well, so I try to avoid sugar as much as I can. Sugar, fat, oil, and excess salt. So basically the seasoning that I use, chicken seasoning for my Asian food, beef seasoning for my Western food, vegan seasoning, which is my new favorite at the moment. I use it literally for everything. Like today, I'm just gonna cook the soup and I'm gonna add the chicken base, chicken seasoning inside, and that is the only seasoning I use. No added salt, no added sugar, no added MSG. Basically, it's healthy, flavorful, and it makes things fast. I don't have time to go to the supermarket a lot, so I do my grocery shopping once a week, and I literally plan out what I prepare for the week. I love to meal prep for myself. When I meal prep, I have food ready for me on a daily basis, and I don't need to think too much of what I'm eating when I meal prep. A little tip I give to all the beginners, write a list down of what you're gonna cook, go grocery shop, and prepare it for the week. So there's 2 choices, either to eat outside or prepare your own meals. It's easier to actually buy prepared food from outside, but I choose to prepare my own meals. Why? Because I'm protecting my family. When you prepare your own meals, it's more hygienic. You know exactly what goes in. So this is my way of showing love, and it's my love language, and that's how I protect my family, through food. So now I'm going to prepare my family's most comfort food. It's the ABC soup. So come and follow me and you're going to love this recipe. Not only you, your whole family would absolutely love it too. So are you ready to cook with me? There you go. Woo-hoo! And the star of the show is the chicken seasoning from Pura.